I'm Grace, and we are Cheftopia. As a foodie millennial in a post-COVID world, I'm looking to support small businesses and discover new flavors. This experience is not unique to me. In fact, right now, we are seeing a massive shift in consumer trends towards online shopping and supporting local. As of 2021, 97% of Canadians want to do more to support small businesses, and 70% want to experience new and diverse cuisines. However, due to COVID-19 lockdowns, many small food businesses have closed down, with up to 46% of closures in Ontario itself. The struggle to afford high storefront costs and unreasonable online platform fees has made it extremely difficult for small chefs to enter and survive in the market. This is causing customers to see limited options on delivery applications, most of which are big brands with high delivery fees. Now, what if we could take away these limitations from those local chefs by giving them the ability to expand to their fullest potential? Cheftopia creates a digital marketplace for small chefs to avoid high storefront costs and be found in one place online. Cheftopia's mission is to create a seamless digital hub exclusive to local chefs, providing an authentic food experience. Think of us as the Etsy to your Uber Eats. With Cheftopia, users simply download the application, and just like that, they're redirected to the digital menus of various local chefs on their phone. They then place and pay for their order. From there, the local chef prepares the food for pickup or delivery. And finally, the customer simply enjoys a fresh, home-cooked meal. If unable to cook from home, chefs can use our partnered commercial kitchens by scheduling their cooking times. And at the end of it all, chefs can review their acquired data and make further progress. But who are our customers? Well, we call them our local foodpreneurs. These are the special food service chefs that on average charge $10 to $20 per order and primarily provide food services at the customer's location or at a non-dine-in location designated by the chef. In terms of market size, there is a $400 million annual revenue potential in special food services. This is only a fraction of the $3.6 billion worth in mobile food transactions across Canada. This leads to an annual potential recurring revenue of $728 million. In terms of pricing, for the food millennial user, it is 2.5% of the order, and for the chef, a one-time onboarding fee of $200 and 10% of the order. Our beachhead market is aimed at the over 10,000 Canadian chefs who have lost their jobs due to COVID-19. With our sales team utilizing digital media platforms, our acquisition cost is $425 per client with a payback period of 2.1 months. Since November 2020, we have conducted 2 successful pilot studies. On July 1st, we entered the market on Android, and we plan to be on iOS by the end of this year. And by 2022, we will be introducing a subscription-based feature as well as drone delivery in rural areas. After meeting with each judge, we incorporated all of their critiques and showed continuous improvement in our scores. To make this all possible, we have a passionate and dedicated team of developers, data analysts, and marketing specialists.